Bill Kennard here with some exciting news about the labor pricing for a profit software. For the thousands of contractors who've been using this, that is a pretty familiar looking screen. But if we had to admit, there are a couple of limitations to this tool. The original version of version 6 was released in 2008, and it only worked on Windows-based PCs. If you had a Mac or a tablet, you were out of luck. Every single install that you had was independent. While you could install it on as many computers in your company as you wanted, every one was a separate install. And so updates were manual. And if we put out an update, you had to go get it, and then you had to install it on each and every machine. Changes were a little bit more difficult because if you made a change on your machine, it wasn't reflected on all of the others. Well, we are thrilled to announce that labor pricing for profit has now become planning for profit. With this new name comes a whole host of new features in the software itself. We've got a fresh new look and feel, yet we maintain a lot of the familiarity that you already have with the current software. Planning for Profit has a number of new features, and the most important is it's now cloud-based. That now gives it accessibility on any device that you have that's connected to the internet. Whether it's a Mac, whether it's a PC, a tablet, heck, you can use your smartphone. All updates are automatic. If we find something that's not working quite right or we add a new feature, it instantly becomes available to every device on your platform. Pricing and parameter changes are across the board instantaneous. Think about it. In the office, if you make a change to the pricing, every tablet out in the field that's using this tool for pricing immediately has the new pricing that you've established. Additional new features have been added to the software, yet we maintain all the familiarity that you had with the previous version. And a couple of new updates that'll be coming soon, we'll be able to provide you an at-a-glance performance of your company by looking at a new fresh dashboard that'll be coming out. Along with that, you'll be able to see how your company compares to others in your industry. A real quick at-a-glance health check. So again, we maintain a lot of the same look and feel. The same menu structure that we had before, we've still maintained it. We've also added features like the ability to use either markup or margin, where a lot of contractors historically had used markup in their parts pricing, even though it may not have been the best way to go. You now have the option to use either. And we maintained, but given a fresh look and feel to many of the reports that you've come to love and know in the software tool. Get access to the new Planning for Profit software at grandyassociates.com/LP or scan this QR code to get immediate access now. Get the Planning for Profit software today and make sure that your pricing is in line for 2022.